Well, I'm Alan Dale from Gale Force. I want to tell you what a wonderful time I'm having here with our good friends at Ocean Advance. This is the inaugural Innovation Waves event. I want to tell you what a day it's been. Great conversations, an amazing collaboration of government, industry, academia, all working together. They're looking at opportunities right here in Newfoundland and Labrador. They understand that they live and work in a harsh environment, and the stuff that they work on is certainly transferable to other parts of our government, specifically in defense. It's a dual-use technology they're proving here, and it's unbelievable. These folks are poised to really get involved over the next couple of generations, really. I love meeting these folks one at a time. And on that note, why don't you introduce yourself? Tell us a little bit about the day.
Hi, my name is Shelly Petten, and I'm the CEO of Oceans Advance, and we're an industry association here in Newfoundland Labrador. This is our first time hosting Innovation Waves. We're really, really excited about the day. I've been in this sector for almost 20 years and know these companies intimately, know the speakers very, very well, and I was still in awe of the depth and breadth of what we have here in Newfoundland and Labrador. It's so exciting to see some of our world-leading companies and institutions talk about their technologies, their applications, their infrastructure, to the stage here that we're trying to promote and showcase what Newfoundland and Labrador has to offer to the world.
Dual use, you know, it's a term that's sort of new, but it's been done here for a long time.
Absolutely.
Right?
Yes.
Talk to me about the conversations around that in the room.
So I think that we need to take a little bit of a step back in terms of what Oceans Advance's members have been doing for quite some time now is what we call dual use, multi-use technology applications. And you know, long before that buzz of the dual use was popular, we had companies operating in marine defense for 25 years. We had, you know, a local company, CompuSalt, operating in defense sector for 31 years. So, you know, it's really exciting to get that profile and promotion, but at the same time, we want to make sure that we understand that there's always been that capacity here in Newfoundland Labrador. Now we're starting to talk about it, and how we get more of that capacity and more of that support in this ecosystem is by spreading the message. And this is what Innovation Waves is all about. It's showcasing Newfoundland and Labrador to the world, and you know, we want everybody to be consistent in storytelling, and I think that we saw that today, even from, and I know I'm probably going a little bit over the topic, but you know, we talk about some of the messages that came out of this morning, and even if you came to the first session where, you know, we had some introductory remarks, all of our speakers all talk the same talk. They all talk the same collaboration, the same ecosystem building, the same partnerships, the same you know, fantastic place to operate a company in harsh ocean application here in the middle of the North Atlantic.
NATO Diana was talked about quite a bit in there.
Yes,
Tell me about that.
yeah. So we have 2 of only 16 test sites in Canada. There's 16. We have 2 of them here in Newfoundland Labrador. The launch in Holyrood and the National Research Council's Ocean Coastal and River Engineering. And of course that facility is world renowned, the longest tow tank in the world, the only operational ice tank in the world. We heard there was another one, but in Russia, we don't know if it's operating or not. You know, we have the most amazing capacity at the launch, the only marine autonomous systems test bed in the world. We're poised for NATO Diana testing. We're poised to be the receptor for the NATO Diana cohort operating over at Cove, one of our partners. So we're really, really excited about the opportunities in Newfoundland and Labrador.
A lot of great technology, of course. It all needs people to run it. Talk to me about the people and the capacity you have at the moment to lean into this stuff.
Yeah, I mean, you know, we hear this a lot from our companies that, you know, workforce development is challenging. For sure, it is. But I kind of argue to say that it's not challenging if you're offering the right supports to your people. If you're a company that's progressive and your technology is really, really cool and you have a really welcoming environment to work in, it's not challenging to recruit the people. It's really challenging to retain them, but that's the onus is on you then, right? You as a company, you have to retain those workers. We have amazing educational institutions here that train the best of the best. The Marine Institute, and you're a naval man, it'd be very hard for you to go anywhere in the world that you did not run into somebody on a vessel that was trained by the Marine Institute.
100%, yeah.
Right? And Memorial University, you know, the educational, the engineering programs, the business programs, the, the physical oceanographic programs, the naval architect. We have the only naval architectural program in the world, or in Canada at the Marine Institute, the only one in Canada at the Memorial University. And Dr. Wade Chu is leading that, and I mean, it's sought after.
Right.
So it's exciting.
And, so tell me just a little snapshot of what Ocean Advance can offer people.
A snapshot is really hard because we as an industry association, we do a lot for our members. You know, we are very proud of the export development initiatives that we lead on behalf of our members. I'm part of a Pan-Atlantic team. I'm a co-chair of the Ocean Tech Sector Working Group with the 4 Atlantic provinces. We lead our companies to export activities around the world, throughout the world. We open up markets for them. We bring connections to those folks. We also offer a lot of services in terms of education, networking, connections, contacts. I think we try to be that facilitator or concierge type service. You have a problem, you let us know, and we will do whatever we can to help you. We have first line of contact to our provincial and federal partners, funding partners, as well as research partners. So we're really excited about that.
You know, I've had a front row seat today watching all this unfold, and I've been to a lot of shows. An incredible show, an incredible positive feeling about the things that are going on, a great networking events, people truly making connections. I hope it was everything that you had hoped for.
It was, and then some. And, you know, I think that people are not realizing this is our first time. This is the first time we've done this. It's a heavy lift. Well worth it. I'd do it again in a heartbeat, and I'm really, really grateful for the support that we've received here today so far, and can't wait for tomorrow. So such great sessions coming up tomorrow. Can't wait.
That's a wrap for day 1. We're certainly looking forward to day 2 right here at Innovative Waves.
Thank you.